To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this by searching for Chrome in your Windows search bar, and then selecting Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, locate the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window. Click on these dots to open the menu, and then select Settings. In the Settings tab, you will see a search bar at the top. Type Search Engine into this bar, and press Enter. Scroll down the page until you find the Search Engine section, and click on Change for the search engine. You will notice that Brave Search is not listed among the default options. To add it, click on the option to add a new search engine. Then click on the Add button. For the name, enter Brave Search. For the shortcut, type search.brave.com. For the URL, with %s in place of query, enter https://search.brave.com/search?q equals %s. Finally, click on Add. Now Brave Search has been successfully added as a search engine option. To make it your default, simply select it from the drop-down menu. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.